this is Chef Shay with Divine Cuisine, and today I'm going to be making some jerk chicken tacos with my DivineKuizine Jerk sauce. Okay y'all, so now we're getting ready to make these jerk chicken tacos, and so I'm going to start by cooking my marinated jerk chicken. Okay y'all, so I marinated some chicken overnight, and so all of what I did is this is just the my DivineKuizine jerk chicken sauce, and because you can use this as a marinade or a glaze. And so I put some of that and some kosher salt, and then I just marinated this in a plastic Ziploc bag overnight, so that's 24 hours, or you can do it for about 2 to 3 hours if you didn't do it overnight. So I'm gonna go ahead and just bake this, but you can grill this chicken if you wanted to, but I'm going to just bake it. So I'm gonna put some gloves on because I don't like the feel of raw chicken, so I'm gonna put some gloves on. And this is super easy to do. It's probably gonna take, this is probably about a 20-minute process. So, and I can smell all the spices of my jerk chicken sauce on my chicken. Just with a little salt, that's all you need. So you don't even need a whole lot of things to do. You're gonna have all those nice spices. And I have chicken tenders, but you can use chicken breast if you wanted to. I just, in my family, we just always have like little chicken tenders. Okay, now we have all the chicken in the pan. So I have 1/3 cup of cooking oil that we're gonna go ahead and use to cook the. So you're just gonna mix it around. Let me just get it all mixed in there, because kind of cook on 425 degrees probably for a good 20 minutes. So it's gonna cook pretty fast. Okay y'all, so we're getting ready to make a mango coleslaw, so to go with our jerk chicken tacos, which is going to be a real good to complement our tacos, because you're going to get that sweetness from the mango, you're going to get a little crunchy texture from the coleslaw, and then that spice from the jerk chicken. So let's get started on making this. Okay, so I cut up some red onion. This is about 1/4 of a red onion. And also I have cut up a jalapeno pepper, 1 jalapeno pepper de-seeded. Okay, so I have my red pepper, and so I've cut, just a little bit of the red pepper, because we're gonna put all different types of peppers in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and chop up this pepper. Okay, so now we have a green pepper, about the same. You cut just a little bit of it, less than 1/4 or 1/3. So we're just gonna cut up some bell pepper, and I like peppers, so we're gonna have all kinds of different peppers. Some peppers are sweeter than others. A bell pepper is a little more peppery than the sweet red pepper that we just cut up, and plus it just gives it it's just pretty too as presentation. Okay, so we have some yellow pepper here, and yellow pepper is a little more milder. It's a little sweeter, but it's a little milder more than your green or your red. Okay, now we're gonna put the orange pepper in that bowl. So we are now done with our peppers. Okay, so now we have, doesn't this look so pretty, y'all? It looks like a little rainbow of all our peppers. And so now we're gonna put the red onion in this mixture. And we have our jalapeno peppers we're gonna put in here. And then we're gonna start working on our mango. Okay, so I have 2 mangoes I'm gonna go ahead and cut up. And so I'm gonna peel the mango, and then we're gonna dice the mango up and put it into the bowl. Okay y'all, so now we're gonna go ahead and incorporate everything to make this slaw. So I have some salt, some lime juice, the DivineKuizine Remoulade sauce is a must, because that's gonna be our base. And we have some sugar spice, that's just gonna give it another kick. And so let's get started. Okay y'all, and we're gonna make the base is the DivineKuizine Remoulade sauce. It's the must-have for this coleslaw, because this is the base, DivineKuizine Remoulade. And then also we're gonna put a little bit of the sugar spice in there. That's gonna give it another depth of sweetness. So okay, so now we've got the DivineKuizine Remoulade base. I'm gonna pour some of that in there. That should be enough. This is pretty much done, y'all, because that base, that Remoulade, is going to give it all the rest. We got a little bit of the sugar spice in there. We got a little acidity from the lime juice that I put in there. And we also have a little bit of salt, just, you know, for seasoning. And then you got all your peppers. So this is it. So this is what we're going to go ahead and put on those jerk tacos. So this is going to be good. Or you could just eat it just like this and, you know, have a nice little mango coleslaw salsa. But we're going to go ahead and put it on our tacos. Okay, y'all, so our chicken is done. So now I'm just going to cut it up because I'm going to put some more of that jerk sauce marinade on it. And we're going to go ahead and glaze this up for our taco. Okay, so now we're getting ready to glaze some of the other chicken that we've already cooked, that was marinated chicken with the jerk sauce. So now I'm getting ready to pour some of that in there and let it marinate or glaze for a few minutes. Okay, so now the meat is chopped up. Okay, so now it's all incorporated, the jerk sauce, the DivineKuizine jerk sauce. So now I'm going to go ahead and put a top on this and just let this simmer so all the meat and the sauce can glaze together, incorporate together. And we're going to do this probably for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so now we're getting ready to incorporate the tacos. Okay, y'all, so now the jerk chicken is out, so we're going to incorporate. So I got my tortilla shell. So you can just put a little bit of jerk chicken. You see the sauce. We got some of the coleslaw over here with the mangoes in it. And just put it on like that, and there you go. Okay, y'all, so now I'm gonna try my jerk chicken taco. This is good, y'all. So you get the spicy from that jerk chicken, but then you got that coleslaw, which is crunchy, and then you got that mango and those peppers, which are sweet. I gotta go on for another kill. For this recipe, go to DivineKuizine.com. Thanks, y'all.